In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price has played out exactly as predicted. But the question is, will the Bitcoin price hold this massive support line? And on top of that, we are also going to dive in with a quick update with the Ethereum price action, BNB, as well as the SLP price action. Stay tuned to know more. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sabi natin kahapon, we were monitoring this ascending channel na nag-form sa 15-minute time frame, and you can also monitor that in the early time frame. However, ang warning ko nga dyan is if you're going to look at the RSI is increasing kahapon while the price is not yet declining. So in that case, that is not yet a bullish divergence. So ang mangyayari sa ganun is we might actually see a bear flag forming. So in that case, pinlot natin yung bear flag by getting the height of this pole and then nilagay natin siya sa possible point of breakout. And in that case, nagkaroon tayo ng bear flag which actually played out exactly as predicted. So right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price? So kagabi, after that video, di ba nag-drop yung ating Bitcoin price? After that exact moment, if you're going to look at the early, from this point on, nag-form na siya na exacto na declining price while the RSI is increasing. So that is a usual signs of a bullish trend reversal. So right now, the Bitcoin price has played out the bear flag within the 15-minute time frame. Pero right now, we are now forming itong bullish divergence forming within the early time frame. And siguro you can actually plot a line dyan. You could also say na this could be a possible falling wedge or falling channel. So in that case, our target dito is more likely going to be around top of the wedge, which is around the 40.8k. And yun nga, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout dito sa ating falling wedge. Ito, diba ito yung ating falling wedge target, 40.8k or 40.7k. Breakout, however, wala tayong buy volume. Tingnan nyo, wala tayong buy volume upon that breakout. So in that case, we are going to get rejected by certain resistances, which is right now, dun tayo nakuha na resistance. Pero I think we have to monitor this very closely pa kasi pwedeng mangyari dyan is we might actually be forming this declining price pa din. Possible na mag-decline siya further or konti or mag-consolidate. At the same time, possible na during that area, the RSI is actually maintaining healthy or increasing pa din. So in that case, this is going to be a healthy movement right now for the Bitcoin price kasi look at this. We are getting buy volume during this breakdown. So in that case, people are trying to catch this downtrend. People are buying the dip, and that is actually a good sign kasi this could indicate na despite of the Bitcoin price declining, the RSI is increasing. That is indicating na this asset is getting strong at marami bumibili ng Bitcoin for the time being. So right now, I think it's looking healthy right now for the Bitcoin price, and our technical target for the time being is going to be around, ito muna is the 40.4k as well as the 40.8k. Pero if we are going to play out this bullish divergence in the early time frame, then we might see a possible trend reversal dito sa ating Bitcoin price. And if this played a bullish trend reversal, then yun nga, possible na mag-play out yung ating 4-hour time frame na ascending triangle na monitor pa din natin hanggang ngayon. And look at this. This similar area kung saan tayo nag-play out ngayon kay Bitcoin price is actually a strong support area right now. So, right now, the Bitcoin price must hold this area in order for us to remain healthy. And if let's say mag-play out yung ating bullish divergence in the early time frame, then we might actually consolidate dito further within the Bitcoin price. But take note, ito yung ating mga worst case and best case scenario. So worst case scenario, if mabreak natin itong ascending triangle. So if mabreak natin yan, we are just going to get the height of this triangle. And then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. Then ito yung worst case scenario, we can actually go down up until the $32,000 US, which is actually, I think that's the previous low. Yeah, previous low siya ng Bitcoin price. So, lowest possible point dito if hindi natin na-hold itong support line is the 32k. Take note, worst case scenario lang siya. And siguro yung best case scenario dito is actually mag-bounce tayo dito. Mag-bounce dyan. And then mag-break out na tayo dito sa ating ascending triangle forming within the 4-hour time frame. So, in this case, if mag-play out yung ating best case scenario, we are just going to get the height of this triangle and then lagay natin siya sa possible point of breakout, which is actually ilalagay natin siya dito. And as you can see, still, our target for this movement is going to be the $55,000 area. And right now, we are taking things one step at a time. If you want to buy Bitcoin, now is still one of the best time to buy. All you have to do is just to buy the dip using DCA strategy if you're just going to buy for spot wallet or investment. Take note, DCA strategy, huwag kayo magbabay na isang bagsakan. mag-buy lang kayo partially, and then if bumagsak pa lalo si Bitcoin, at least meron pa kayong pera pambili. But yeah, right now, we are still going to consolidate dito, and hopefully mag-play out yung ating bullish indicator dito sa ating early time frame, which is yun nga, itong bullish divergence forming within the early time frame. And hopefully, sana mag-bounce siya dito, especially meron tayong falling wedge as well as this bullish divergence forming. Pero guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, one of the best place to trade this is actually in BingX, kasi dito mas mura natin Bitcoin trading fees. And if you want to claim bonus dito with BingX, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. Now, let's dive into Ethereum kasi diba kahapon, minomonitor natin itong symmetric triangle or meron tayong triangle lang go-form kahapon kay Ethereum. And look at this, diba sabi ko sa inyo, we have two possible scenarios with Ethereum. If magkaroon tayo ng bullish breakout, then we're just going to get the height. Lagay natin siya sa possible point of breakout. Or if magkaroon ng bearish breakout, same thing, height lang din. And then look at that. It met our target exactly as predicted. So congratulations guys if you've traded this. This was a good shorting opportunity for the Ethereum price action. But right now, let's try to monitor and understand ano ba mangyari next kay Ethereum. So if you're going to look at the hourly, I think similar din siya kay Bitcoin. Look at this. The price was declining while the RSI is starting to increase. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-clear as compared to Bitcoin. So it's possible na baka mag-consolidate tayo dito further with the Ethereum price action. But ang pinakamagandang dito tingnan is let's try to look at more Let's try to look at different movements pa. And let's try to understand. Siguro yun yun pa nga lang yung pwede natin tingnan dito with the Ethereum price action for the time being. So as I think right now, siguro let's expect more consolidation muna dito. And then yeah, hopefully magkaroon tayo ng panibagong support resistance area para maintindihan natin kung ano yung next move niya. But for the time being, tapos na ating trading opportunity kay Ethereum na playout din natin yung symmetric triangle. And right now, we are going to wait for the next indicators to form with Ethereum price action. Looking at BNB, right now, I think we are starting to see a clear opportunity with BNB kasi look at this. The price is declining while the RSI is increasing. Kasi look at that. That is a traditional signs of a bullish trend reversal. So right now, I think as compared to Ethereum, kay Ethereum, wala tayong clear na bullish divergence. Kay BNB, clear na clear ating bullish divergence, which is actually, I think, a good swing tradable opportunity if let's say we are going to see a massive trend reversal dito kay BNB. And this is actually in the early time frame. So in this case, if you are going to flip bullish dito, I think ang titingnan nating area would be around this $408 US. So if we are going to go up, 408 is one of our target. And then siguro we can actually target this next resistance area around the $419 US if we are going to go up with the BNB price action. So right now, that's what we are monitoring, especially na meron tayong bullish divergence forming within the early time frame. So this is a good opportunity right now with the BNB price action. That is a good buy kung tatanungin nyo. And yeah, I think I might look into BNB and trading this for the very short term in the next few hours. So yeah, let's try to monitor BNB in the next few hours. And last but not the least, let's talk about SLP. Kasi diba sabi natin sa ating previous video, sabi natin na we are going to expect a very short bullish retracement, which yun nga, nagkaroon tayo ng short-term bullish retracement. And yun nga, umakit siya ng konti. Pero diba sabi ko sa inyo, don't be fooled palagi sa ganyan. Kasi, take note, meron pa tayong bearish divergence na nag-play out pa din. And hindi pa tayo oversold dito sa ating RSI. So that is indicating na hindi pa siya good buying opportunity. And typically, the best time to buy any asset, even if Bitcoin siya or even if BNB, is dapat bumagsak siya below 30 kasi that is going to indicate na that is a good buying opportunity. Tingnan nyo kay BNB. Bumagsak siya below 30, so that was a good buying opportunity. Look at Ethereum. We had a good buying opportunity then. Take a look at Bitcoin then. We saw this movement below 30. So take note, the best buying opportunity within any asset is going to be whenever the RSI is below 30. And right now, si SLP is wala pa doon. So kung ako tatanungin nyo and kung bibigyan kayo na update, this is not yet a buying opportunity for SLP. So kung gusto nyo talaga bumili ng SLP, you have to wait this one out to go down below 30 threshold within the RSI in the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, if mag-cross itong yellow line, yung 50 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, then this actually might be bad kay SLP kasi let's say we are going to consolidate further and then let's say magkaroon tayo dito ng either a bullish or bearish breakout, then this can either be a very good move or a very bad move. So right now, kung ako tatanungin nyo, wag muna kayo mag-enter into any SLP position. You have to wait this one out and we have to wait out for a breakout dito sa ating SLP price action before entering into any trade. Pero guys, if you want to long or short SLP, one of the best place to trade SLP is actually in Bybit kasi dito, Pwede mo i-long or short si SLP as compared to Binance. Kay Binance walang ganitong capability. So if you want to trade SLP, just use my sign up link na you can find the description down below, which is kay Bybit. And take note, yung ating major sponsor na si Bybit is now actually going to sponsor an F1 team, which is yung Oracle Red Bull Racing. Previously, that is Honda. And I think that is a big milestone for our sponsor. So I want to say congratulations sa kanila. Especially na they have been here in our channel from the start. And right now, napakalaking achievement para sa kanila na maging isang major sponsor ng isang sikat na F1 or Formula 1 team in the whole world. If wala pa kayong Bybit account, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find the description down below. And ako personally, nag-invest ako sa kanilang native token ngayon, which is yung BIT. And if gusto nyo din bumili ng BIT, pwede nyo din actually bilhin dito kay Bybit. All you have to do is just to sign up lang din. And the reason why I'm buying BIT, kasi look at this, they actually invested with F1. And I think, for me, personal opinion, kasi of course, I'm a fan of F1. The reason why I also invested in Crypto.com, kasi partner sila ni Aston Martin. Ngayon, since partner na sila ni Oracle Red Bull, then I think I'm pretty much bullish with Bybit for the long term if let's say, maging okay yung kanilang partnership within the long run. So, yun yung aking update, especially with Bybit. And of course, yun yung ating update with the Bitcoin price action. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.